Welcome back to Smootify. This video will demonstrate how to properly connect your Webflow project to your Shopify store, starting from the Shopify app. First, click Sign Up and create your Smootify account if you don't have one yet. After logging in, you'll need to install the app to connect Shopify with Webflow. Navigate to Apps and then select Shopify App. Click Shopify App, and you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Select the Shopify store you wish to connect to Webflow and click the Install button. After that, you'll be redirected back to the Smootify dashboard, and this time you'll be prompted to connect your Webflow project. If you're starting completely from scratch, we strongly recommend starting with our Smootify Starter project, which is already complete with CMS structure and Smootify script. Proceed by clicking the Create Site button. This begins the process of building your own website using the Smootify Starter project template you just cloned. Now let's connect the Webflow project you just created to the Smootify app. Click the Connect a Webflow Site button and choose the Starter project you just cloned within Webflow. Choose the project that we just created. After selecting it, click the Authorize button. Our app will automatically link the Webflow project to the Shopify store by automatically adding the Shopify store URL and the public storefront API token. The only thing you'll need to do is connect your domain. You'll be able to use Webflow's staging domain and then switch it to your official domain when you're ready to launch the project online. Make sure you only enter the domain without HTTPS and any trailing. Click Save, and your Webflow project will be linked to your Shopify store. If you're connecting an existing site and not using the Smootify Starter project, make sure to add the Smootify scripts, available in the Smootify dashboard, to the global code section of your Webflow project.